going to make a design. Explore the shapes again. Keep editing there. You have to find the designs again. Use another design. You will explore the changes there. Add a different design. You will change the shapes here. Explore the different structures. There is a clones of the shapes here. You have to explore these clones. You can unhide a shape here.